Thank you very much, Dr. Anchal, for giving me this honored opportunity. Honorable dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Khandalji, Shri Rakesh Chhariyaji, Shri Pramod Agrawalji, our dear faculty members, students, parents and members of media fraternity, and all the distinguished guests who have joined us on this auspicious ceremony of Convocation MCA Department. The word convocation in itself gives a pious feeling to all of us, दीक्षांत समारोह. हमारे हिंदू शास्त्रों में बहुत महानता है दीक्षांत समारोह की. It's my honor to have the opportunity to present annual report of MCA department on this auspicious occasion. I feel extremely pleased in sharing with all of you that this year has seen a transformational shift in the growth of our MCA program under the inspiring leadership of Shri Chhariyaji, our chairman Shri Nitin Agrawalji, and all other executive council members. It's my pleasure to share that with an objective to enhance brand building of UPTU MCA program, IMS Ghaziabad is focusing to contribute significantly through various value additions of multiple dimensions with focus on academic quality and corporate interface. We are making the continuous efforts, of course with the help of our dedicated team of the faculty members, towards the growth and development of the students as our future technocrats by engaging them in various cutting-edge trainings which aims to produce sound professionals with a temperament of strong logic and bridge the gap between academics and industry. And definitely, each of our efforts are focused towards this ultimate direction of acquiring 100% placement competence of our students. We at IMS believe in overall personality development of our students, and when we say overall personality development, our focus is not only on the external core of the development, but of course on the inner core, including the socio-cultural, the spiritual, the moral, the ethical education given to our students to make them very responsible citizens of our country, and of course, besides that, highly professional budding technocrats to face the world with focus on life skill and the competencies required in the corporate today. We not only focus on core subjects, but at the same time we are providing them extra classes and workshops on new and emerging technologies in the market like cloud computing, Android, and many more. I take the opportunity to share a few recent activities of MCA department with all of you. The very first focus we found has been in our department on strengthening our mentoring and monitoring system for the students. We are committed towards the approach of making the student to think in the direction where they themselves do their critical self-analysis under the guidance of all the mentors, and this mentoring system has proved an asset for our organization, definitely, because each of the faculty member has been bonded, connected with each one of the students to get to know their issues regarding the professional and personal life. Secondly, we are focusing currently on creating paperless organizations. Today at IMS, we are going green with the effort of implementing total paperless organization using ERP. And this has been possible only with the help of MCA department, our IT team. We currently are having admission, academic, account, placement, library, and many other modules fully working with the benefits of enhanced technology, efficiency, user-friendly environment, communication, and security based on EFR system. So that has been definitely one of our achievements in the last few months. This is a small step in making every student an engaged learner and every teacher a caring educator. That has been the focus. Now, after these two major achievements, my focus is to highlight the very strong placements which we have been able to see and witness in our MCA department. And definitely, I feel that who says there is recession in MCA placements? If someone says there is a recession, it's a huge misconception and a myth. UPTU MCA program, we have proved, can become a strong ladder for success for our students in the corporate world. It's our hope that with the talent that comes out of our institution, we'll be able to make a positive contribution towards improving the competitiveness and global outlook of our students. We are also moving towards effective leveraging of new educational technologies, which will help us to customize and improve the outreach of our MCA program. Currently, the objectives of our placement team is focused on twin areas. First of all, to establish long-term relationships with the corporate sector, which they are doing highly effectively, and secondly, to provide 100% placement to our students. And I'm happy to announce from this platform that till date, more than 75% of our students of MCA department have already been placed in the best of the companies with best of the placement opportunities. More than 50 recruitment drives have already been conducted by our CRC team for MCA students, and this has been an achievement. Our continuous focus besides the corporate interface has been on the value addition of MCA program. We were just interacting with Vice Chancellor, sir, a few moments before proceeding for the convocation ceremony. And then, of course, his concern has been that only by MCA degree, of course, sometimes survival might not be feasible. Certain value additions are needed, and that has been the focus here at IMS. And for this, we have recently collaborated with Microsoft IT Academic for providing .NET training, and delivery partners of Oracle for providing advanced Java training to our students. All the students who have opted for .NET training have cleared their Microsoft certifications. Continuous guest lectures have been conducted by our alumni as part of Alumni Talk series, which have been recently initiated and has been a wonderful interactive tool for our students for the knowledge sharing. Specialized and customized aptitude and communication trainings are provided to MCA final year students in collaboration with outsourced soft skill trainers very recently. The final year students also have undergone the trainings on GPS system by ISRO as part of ISRO outreach program. Advanced level workshops are conducted for the students on contemporary topics like enterprise Java, cloud computing, Android, etc. Besides that, activity programs also have been organized by Microsoft and Oracle within the campus of IMS under the similar series. In the end, I, on behalf of IMS fraternity, would like to give the assurance to Dr. Khandelji that we are committed to make UPTU MCA program a strong brand in the market and seek your patronage for the same. I take this opportunity in the end to congratulate all my dear students who are going to receive scholarships, merit certificates, and degrees today, and wish them huge success in life in future. My dear students, it's a fact, not a news I'm sharing with you, that life is a continuous journey, full of challenges. But we are sure that all of you would proceed with your competence and would emerge victorious in this journey of the life. It's very rightly said, my dear students, that मुश्किलों से भागना आसान होता है. All of you are placed today, and I'm sure that you already have tasted the corporate culture, the stress, the toughness, the target, burdens, the pressures of performance, everything. So it's for you, my dear students, that मुश्किलों से भागना आसान होता है, हर कदम जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है. डरने वालों को कुछ मिलता नहीं जिंदगी में, डरने वालों को कुछ मिलता नहीं जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहां होता है. And I'm very sure that with the kind of competencies, with the kind of education which you have taken up at IMS Ghaziabad campus, you are going to emerge victorious in the journey of life. And before I leave the dais, my dear students, I would like to share one more thing with you, that today India is at the cusp of a radical change with huge demographic leverage which is with us. And in this demographic leverage, which is going to become our biggest asset, we are currently having more than 65% population which is below the age group of 30 years. And this is the segment which is going to take our country to the top of the world. And the whole country is looking towards you to become the stars of tomorrow, to make this country a proud country among us to the whole global scenario. And we wish you for doing the same. And I welcome all once again. So thank you very much. Before I leave the dais, I also take the opportunity to request Honorable Vice Chancellor to permit our Head of Department MCA to present the candidates for the award of the degree, sir. Please.